Hey guys, welcome back to a new reaction on this channel. Today I'm going to be react to Sailing Before the Wind, Break the Silence re-recorded. So if you now see this reaction, that means the song is already out. You can go on their music video and give them a like, because I react to the song 1 week earlier. Because Sailing Before the Wind were so nice, they sent me the link 1 week before the song will come out. And I'm so freaking thankful for that. That is extremely nice. So I don't know how I deserve this, but holy crap, this is amazing. So if I could say one thing that makes me really proud for this reaction channel, then it's not the views, not the subscribers, not that my channel is really growing fast. It's that I met new bands, is that I connect with these new bands, and that these new bands are so nice or will so connect or are so connected with me that they sent me a link for their music video for a new single that will come out 1 week later. It's freaking amazing. So when I watch YouTube videos from my favorite gaming YouTubers, for example, and I see they play video games that will come out a few weeks later, I'm really jealous, because I want to play that game now too, and I have to wait 1 week or 2 weeks or whatever, and they could play it now, and I'm so jealous. And now I'm in the position where I get songs from really great bands like Sailing Before the Wind 1 week earlier, and I can listen to these songs 1 week earlier. This is absolutely amazing. Now I'm in this position, and I'm so thankful for that. Really thankful. So Sailing Before the Wind, Break the Silence re-recorded. I'm really hyped, and I would say let's go. Maybe I have to make it a little bit louder. I'm sorry.
Destination, no one knows where it is. Without hesitation, let the time comes on like a dawn. We'll walk to the runway, lift up to down, let down the second. Across the right direction, sideward to the impression, imitate the light, with the silence. Across the right direction, sideward to the impression, take the sky by some brazen silence.
Alright. So I thought, because the first song I reacted to was a re-recording too, that I don't know exactly how the name was, something with Cross the Ocean, I'm sorry. And Cross the Ocean hadn't clean voice, when I'm right. And I thought that this, because this is a re-record too, that this song will not have clean voice either, and I'm right. But the song is really great. The thing I really like in this song, and that's really special because usually I don't listen to that as much as other things, the guitars. The guitars are absolutely great in this song. because, you know, I'm a screamer myself. In my past, I played drums for a few years, and so when I listen to new music, I focus my ears to the screams or to the singing or to the drums, and the guitars are just there for me because I don't know how to play guitar. Guitar are not my instrument. But this is a song where I really, really like the guitars. I don't know why, but the guitars are really, really great. I pressed the wrong button, I'm sorry. Oh, I pressed the mute button. Oh, I'm stupid. I'm sorry.
Don't forget. Remember where you came from. You is right, you can't guide you.
I really hate that my headphones and my beanie are slipping from my head. My head is just too small for both. I'm sorry for that. I have to do this every friggin' time. I'm sorry.
Desolation.
All right. This song was really, really great. This song was really, really great. Like I said, the best thing on the song were definitely the guitars, and I don't know why. I don't know why, but that doesn't mean that I don't like the screams or the drums. The whole song was really, really great. I really like the song. Definitely comes into my playlist. All right. But I guess the song will come in a week on Spotify, I guess, because the song isn't out yet. Alright. That was Sailing Before the Wind Break the Silence. I'm so thankful that I had the chance, or that I can listen to the song earlier than usual. It's absolutely amazing. I'm so thankful for that. I hope when the pandemic is over that Sailing Before the Wind will come to Germany, and then I will go to a concert, and then I will thank them in real life, not over video or over Instagram or whatever, because I like these guys. They're making really, really great music, and I definitely want to see them live. Definitely. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. If you have requests, wishes, whatever, maybe a other Sailing Before the Wind song I haven't checked out yet, write it down in the comments or write me on Instagram. Link is down in the description. Thanks for watching, and I hope I see you guys in another reaction again. Would be awesome. And I say, bye!